Hi, or might I say hello world. I am Nico Lim from Bogor, Indonesia. I'm an architect, the type that design buildings. But I like to code, I love to code. And this is my final project for CS50 Python. The name is Hogwarts typing test. Let's type project, python project.py. And here you can see the name. Uh, there are two modes. The first is the story mode, where a story will appear and you will type it, and after that you will get your score, your stats, your words per minute. And the second one is test, which will generate random words, and you'll have 1 minute to type. Let's try. With the story, this is a random story. It's kind of like a Matlab story. And for example, you type, and then when you're done, you can press enter, and there are your stats. It gives you the time, your words per minute, accuracy, how many words you got right, and how many words you got wrong. And let us try again with the test. For the test, you have 1 minute, and when the 1 minute is up, then you will get the same stats. And as you can see, all of the words here, they came from Harry Potter. So I used the Harry Potter novel for the reference text. You can also type enter here. It will not record that. It will not end the input. And there you go. My typing speed is 44 words per minute, 100% accuracy, 52 words right, and 1 wrong word. And that is all from me. Bye bye.